Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. I am ridiculously excited. I don't know why, because I'm an idiot, but super excited. Upwork, and I don't know, maybe I'm behind, but as I go through, I think Upwork literally just released this big news for me, and I think the voiceover community. Of course, I just do voiceover, so I don't know if Upwork has done this for everyone else. But as you know, Upwork, okay, a long time ago, it was relative, but months and months ago, released their projects, which was very similar to the gigs, okay? And for us voiceover artists, this was extremely exciting because, you know, it was a really kind of carbon copy to Fiverr, right? And, you know, a lot of us, and the success on Fiverr makes a big deal. But because of, you know, whether Upwork not knowing what to do completely or whatever, they didn't have all of the elements that we felt was needed. One of the biggest elements that they didn't have was the ability to share your demo, right? To share a video. Like on Fiverr, you have your ability to upload a video for your demo and also MP3 files. Well, on Upwork, they didn't have any of that. They didn't have the ability. All you could do is put a picture. And, you know, later on, they did add a little tab that you could click to see a portfolio, which would take them to somewhere else, but they didn't have any of that. Well, this morning, as I was going through Upwork, I saw, and I'm showing you right now, that Upwork has now added the ability for a project video, which I'm just super thrilled about. I just uploaded this, okay? So they've just added the ability for a project video, just like Fiverr, so that you can post your demo on the video, and it will be it will show you or it'll let you upload it up to 90 seconds. They recommend 60 seconds. Mine's 1:05. This is just the same thing I use on Fiverr, but mine doesn't mention Fiverr or anything. It's just my demo video. Which is super cool. Also, what they've done is they didn't used to have the add-ons, right? But they've added add-ons, okay, as well, that you can add. Now, because of some of the issues that I feel that Upwork is still having, which is they don't really do a good, there's nowhere on Upwork to put in your number of words, okay, for this. So I've added mine on custom add-ons to where people can add words to their order, because I do 100 words per order, but they can add to it. I'm assuming later on that Upwork will come out with, you know, what, for example, Fiverr has, and that is an actual word counter. But this goes a long way to help us and help Upwork, you know, give Fiverr some competition and us to get more work. I'm super excited about it. Now, part of the thing that also made this exciting, or to me, was, I'm trying to see was that, and basically I want to show you what it looks like, the preview of the gig. So this is what the preview of the gig looks like, you know, or I'm not calling it gig, they call it project, right? But you can see down here, kind of just the same as Fiverr. They also have this where it plays the video.
Mornings aren't for everyone. Coffee's on, a brisk sunrise and a cool morning. Black top and green as far as the eye can see. It's where I belong. It's home. Ford, where you belong.
Okay, so that goes to the rest of my demo. But the cool thing is one thing, I don't know, hopefully you hear it as well, but their video, because probably of the size, doesn't seem to have the same compression issues that Fiverr's platform does. So this has a lot better sounding demo, you know, like video, because, you know, Fiverr, because of the sheer size of Fiverr and the number of videos they have, has had to add a lot of different compression things to the videos. So a lot of times our videos sound not so good. So our demos don't sound very good, right? The MP3s sound fine, but the videos don't. But this video sounds fantastic. Now, you still can't upload an MP3, but you can definitely upload an MP4, okay, which is super, super exciting. And as you can see down here too, for the add-ons, this is even more exciting to me, where now people, when they go to order, they can order something. Now, I've done something here where I've tried to really make it evident that it's 100 words. Now, I'm trying this stuff out too because I'm trying to get people to understand with currently how they're working, because on Fiverr, the only thing that Fiverr did for voiceover community, which is different than the rest of them, right, is that they offer a word counter. Upwork doesn't have that right now because I bet the back end of Upwork just doesn't even accept that yet at all. But I imagine eventually they will because they've come out with the video, they've come out with add-ons, really, really exciting, similar things. So I'm thrilled about this. I think this is a really cool thing to get into. And the last thing is that I wanted to see, if we go to, because I wanted to show you, as you notice, going over, if you hover over everybody's pictures, right? Some of them have this, all right? But the reason why I know that I think this is a really new thing is because you're looking at all these, right? But like, for example, if I do male voiceover, I'm just going to go and pull myself up, all right? And, I type this in, and then I think I'm down over yonder window breaks of some kind here. I don't know. Let me see. Now I haven't hit the top levels here because I'm not a top rated seller on Upwork. Do you know what I mean? I'm just normal normal guy. But here I am right here. But this is what's really cool. If you're looking around, look at it. It's got the video tab. Now it doesn't let you play the video yet from the tab. Okay, but it does show that when you go over this, or I'm sorry, when you are looking through these, you see there's a video. Now, as all of these, no one else has a video on it. So this is a great opportunity for you to get your video up, right, and begin to stand out, which is why I think this is something they just literally released. And I'm super excited about it just because, anything that stands us, helps us stand apart, because look at all of these people. I mean, you don't know what they sound like. You got to really search. And I think this is really going to help. Okay. Really going to help us stand out and get work. All right, guys. Well, listen, I'm cheesy. I know I'm excited about crazy little things, but to me that's super exciting. It's something we've all been waiting for a long time on Upwork, and I'm excited to share that knowledge with you as well. So thank you so much. Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, leave some comments below, and get to Upwork and put your videos up. All right, it's time for the onslaught. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Have a good Thursday. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.